Hello guys, welcome back to the path of becoming a code expert. In this video, we'll be solving the first code in GeeksForGeeks. So I'll go to the Python tutorial for GeeksForGeeks and open the input and output chapter. And moving down, we have the recommended problems. So the first program is start coding Python, and the first program here is we first learn to output some message. Here we'll start with the famous hello world message and complete the Python code to print hello world. So the output of this should be hello world. So to print a statement, first we'll give print, and inside the quotes we give the statement that has to be printed, that is hello world. And here we have the compile and run option. And there is only one test case here, compilation completed, and it is also passed. And now we'll submit the code, and you can see there is only one test case and it got passed here. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.